Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch Ultra 2 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch if you have the screen lock option, screen lock protection enabled, and how to remove the screen lock in the process. So let's say you have the screen lock protection enabled on your Apple Watch, but you don't remember the passcode to unlock it. You can basically factory reset your watch and remove the screen lock in the process. To do it, you will need one thing. You will need a charger for your watch, basically the charging cable. Once you have the charging cable, plug it to the power source, like power brick or the computer, and now we can continue. So to factory reset this watch, wake up the screen on it by pressing the crown button, then press and hold the side button to open the power menu, or maybe SOS menu. And once you open this menu, press and hold the crown button. And after a second or two, you will see the message connect to a power source to proceed. So take your charging cable and plug your watch to the charger. And once you plug it to the charger, you will see this message, erase all content and settings. Basically, it will remove all of your settings and data from your device. Tap on reset, and then tap on reset to confirm and start the resetting process. Be aware though, you're gonna lose all of your data and settings from your watch. So once you're ready, tap on reset. And now let's wait until the process is complete. And once you see this message on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. You can set up your watch again, and the screen lock should be removed. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.